Welcome to this channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to separate text, which has different separators. You can come across a challenge like this, and you want these two names to be separate and in different columns. How can we do that? Let's see how we can go about this. So I have three cases here. Case number one, they are separated by space. Case number two, these ones are separated by a dash. And case number three, they are also separated by a dash, but the first two have the same width. So let's see how we can separate this. So the first step is to highlight the text. Click on the data tab. We have here text to columns. Click there. Choose the file type that best describes your data. We have what we call delimiter. Delimiter means what is used to separate these ones. And the next option is fixed width. This one applies if they are of the same width. In other words, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, this is also 4. These are the same, but here they are different. So I'll go with the delimiter for the first one. Come down, click next. If I deselect this and I select this space, my delimiter is space. In other words, I'm telling Excel that my words, I want them to be separated in two different columns at the point where there is a space. So it draws a line. If I remove this, it goes away. If I do like that, it goes on. Then, if I say next, so it's going to separate here. Then the designation, where do I want my results to start from? I want my results to start from D2. So I come here, choose D2, go back. So I have D2 here and say finish. There you go. As you see, we have the names in different columns. The next example I'm going to show you is if they are separated by a dash, how do we go about this? Same steps, highlight the data, go to data, text to column. We're also using delimiter. And now our delimiter is a dash. So we have to look for a dash. It is not a space. Remove that. Other, then put a dash there. The moment I put a dash, it goes away from here and puts a line. So in other words, it is telling us that I'm going to separate these words where the line is showing. So this is like a preview showing you where it's going to be separated. Next, where do you want your data to be displayed? I come here, choose D8, come back, finish, and there you go. The dash has gone away and they are separate in different columns. So next example, I'm going to use the fixed width. These first numbers have 1, 2, 3, then a dash, 1, 2, 3, a dash. The next also are similar. So if you have a case like this, let's see how we can separate the numbers from these ones. So I go to data again, text to column. This time I'm going to use fixed width. I click on fixed width. I click on next. In other words, where do I want? I want to separate there. I click there. Maybe I want to remove the dash as well in a separate column where I put my lines that will mark a different column. So in my case, I'll have one column, another column for the dash, another, and another. So I say next. Then where do I want my columns to start? It will be D14. Click there, choose D14, go back and click finish. So you can see I have one column here, this here, that there, and the rest in here. So this way you can separate your texts which are in one column into different columns. Thank you for watching. This is all I have for you today. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, like, and give your comments. Have a great day.